Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and go through my setup now. I'm going to change from design to manufacture. And in this mode, I'm going to come down here and right click on setups and do a new setup. Alright, so basically I've got to go through setup and stock here. So setup, machine, I'm going to leave blank. Okay. Operation type is milling, that's correct. Model orientation, I'm going to use the X and Y axis. I'm going to come on here for the X axis and to select, I'm going to select the X axis as I see it. And then for the Y axis, I'm going to select a line going in that direction. Now, positive X is going to the right, positive Y is going away from me if I'm standing down here in front of the machine, and Z positive is going up, so that's the way I wanted it. If I needed to use flip Y or flip X, if it didn't automatically do that, then I would do that. My next is going to be origin. My origin, I'm going to select a point, and I'm going to select the lower left hand corner. For those, we buzzed so far in the CNC, and we can see that is the case. For my model, no model selected. All models, solids will be used. That's fine. So I'm just going to leave that blank. Otherwise, I would click that and then drag a box over everything. I'm going to ignore the fixture because that's not going to matter. For the stock, I'm going to use a relative size box. And I can do this. I could do just about anything. Okay, I could do that however I want to. All right, so the stock side offset, I'm going to make 0.5. And what that did is it went half an inch over here. That way I know a 1/4 inch bit can slide around the outside there just fine. The stock top offset, I'm going to make 0. And then stock depth on the y-axis is whatever it is. That's fine. That's more than happy with that. But if you look here now, I have a box that's a little bit larger than that, which is what I want. I can cut out around this. Still smaller than 24 inches, which is just okay. I'm going to go ahead and hit OK. I don't want to mess with post-process right now. I'm just going to go ahead and hit OK. Oh, it's going to make me. I'm not going to ignore that warning. There, we're going to go ahead and select that for my model. Yeah, so go ahead and hit OK. All right, so that would be my setup.